What's up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. Make sure to stick around to the end in order to get all the steps. So the first thing we're going to do is to open our Binance app. We're going to look for our USDT to get the address. So we're going to go to the bottom right corner where you have wallets. So tapping on wallets, we're going to make sure that we're under spot. At the top here, you can see overview, and sometimes you can find yourself there at first. So you just need to swipe to the left to get to spot. And right now we can see our USDT at the top, so we don't need to search for it. But if you cannot find your USDT from the initial scroll, you could go over to the search icon to search for USDT. However, we have ours and we're going to tap on USDT. And here we have the option at the bottom to deposit or withdraw. We're going to click on deposit to have the crypto address. It is important to select the network. So we're going to select the Toncoin network just because we want to. And then it says both memo and addresses are required to successfully deposit your USDT to Binance. So this is a very important step to follow. So we're going to click on OK. Here we have the alphanumeric crypto address and the USDT memo. So we're going to copy the address at first, and then we're going to head over to Tonkeeper. And right here in Tonkeeper, we're going to click on USDT, and then we're going to click on send, and we're going to paste in the address which we copied from Binance, which is the USDT crypto address from Binance. So we're pasting it now. Now we're going to go back to get the comment. Here we have the comment, so we're just simply going to copy it. You have two icons here, so we're going to make sure we're tapping on the right icon, which is a copy icon, and you can see it's copied already, and we'll go over to Tonkeeper. And now we've pasted it, we can continue. And here is where you get to put the amount you want to send. So after putting the amount you'd like to send, you can click on continue and complete the transaction. Remember to copy the accurate crypto address and the right comment in order to have a successful transaction. So after that's done and you've completed your transaction, you just have to wait for a few moments for your transaction to reflect. So these are the steps to follow if you want to transfer your USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance.